Man knows how to.
You ready to give me your nose? Fireworks, please.
Oh.
Please. Yes!
Right.
Fireworks! Who is it? Who is it? Lewandowski.
That's the best ball today.
Wait, 90 rating? Yeah! Give me your nose.
I think it's gonna be big. I think it's gonna be big. It's like like our walkout player is gonna be huge. It's gonna be huge.
Yes! Let's go!
Wait, who's it?
It's Cam. David
Silva. We'll take
okay,
it.
but
We'll
you got
take
it.
it.
You
We'll
got
take
it.
it. We'll freaking
See, I
take it.
told
We'll
you you
take
were
it.
gonna get one.
87. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it.
Go on, you'll get 2 in a row. Use it again, and you're gonna get 2 in a row.
Wait, did you open that or did I open it?
You opened it.
I opened it.
Did I?
I don't know.
You opened it, and
Who
we'll
cares?
get
Who cares? Who cares?
Okay.
He walked out.
You
He
gotta
walked
walk out.
Look at that celebration as well. Thank you for recording that clip. Appreciate
Good
it.
looking man.
My first. I don't know about the stats though.
Nah.
68 pace. I mean,
2 in a row.
2 in a row. Show me fireworks.
Ah.
Oh!
Benzema.
Okay.
See?
Whoa, that's a better pack than David Silva.
Yes! Yes!
Let's go. Come on. Please. Spanish guys. Center mid. Oh, Iniesta. 88 rated. Let's freaking go, boys. Wait.
There it is.
That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what we're talking about.
Bad handshake.
Woo, that was a really poor handshake.
Yes!
Come on. Back to back. Back to back.
Brazil.
Oh my God.
Dani Alves.
Oh, Dani Alves. I thought it was gonna be Nate. We'll take it though. 3.
And now 2 in a row. That's 2 in a row.
2 in a row. 3 in a row. I'll take it.
Yeah. Come on, please. Oh my. Who's that? Who's that?
Ugly.
Okay.
No, it's not okay.
Honestly.
Let's go. Come on. Check.
Oh my god. Yeah! Woo! Get in there, check. Arsenal legend. No?
No.
Oh.
Brazil. No, that's Italy. It's Portugal.
Oh.
He's 89 though. He's 89.
89 rated.
88.
Boom.
88
rated Pepe. Suck on that, JJ. Last 200k packs. Here we go.
Please fireworks. Come on. No.
Really? That is solid. This is the final 100k packs. Manny, no pressure, but if you don't get one, we're not friends. You got one. It's cool. It's chill. Just chill. It's cool. Light work.
Gotcha.
You need that strength, obviously, that's what I want to do for you.
Yeah. Alright, now the final pack. This is kind of a cheap pack, but what legend are we going to get? It's only on loan, but we get... It's... Lineker.